Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by loading SongMaker in Chrome Music Lab and immediately set tempo to about 75-85 BPM. This gives that slow, head-nodding Phonk pocket. Next, switch the grid to 16 steps so you can place tight kick and snare hits. Pick a lo-fi, slightly detuned synth for melody and a deep, punchy kick sample. Once done, lay a simple 4-on-the-floor or spaced kick pattern and place snares on steps 5 and 13 to frame the groove. You now create the main melodic motif using a minor scale. Minor pentatonic works great, keeping it short and memorable across 2 bars. Once you have the phrase, duplicate and drop it an octave on the second pass to create that haunting Phonk vibe. Add rhythmic stabs or slides where possible. Subtle repetition sells the mood. To add texture, layer a low-volume noise or vinyl crackle, plus maybe a reversed hit for transition. These layers fill space without overcrowding the bass and drums. You finish by balancing elements. Bring kick and bass above melody, and cut conflicting mids by a couple of dB to preserve clarity. Once mixed, arrange the loop into intro, drop, and repeat sections. Automate mute or volume for variation so the listener stays engaged. Export or record via system audio. If the mix sounds muddy, solo treble some tracks and apply narrow EQ cuts around 200-500 Hz or lower the reverb. That quick fix usually clears up the frequency clutter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.